Hey, welcome to Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to back up your audio CDs. So, if you're concerned that they're going to eventually not play, your concerns are probably valid. But a lot of people try to do the old right click and they'll right click, go copy, and say they'll go over to their music folder. And I just created a test folder just to show you what happens. If you go do Control V, it'll create an audio CD, but these are .cda. So what that means is that once you unplug, so it'll play right now. But the problem is if I pop out the DVD like I just did, and then I go to play that same one, you're going to get, we can't open track '01 because it's not really on your computer. It's just kind of created a shortcut for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in media player. And then once you see it pop up, go ahead and open it. And trust me, this is super, super easy. I just closed my disk and any moment we should see it over here on the left-hand side. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And over here, we need to check the RIP settings. We want to make sure that under here for the format, we're saving as an MP3. And then we're going to click Save. And all you need to do after that is click RIP CD. And you'll notice right here, it'll go through every single one of these one at a time. And it'll be pretty quick. And once you get to the last one and it says RIP complete, then you can go over to your computer and it'll be listed underneath your music folder and it'll create an unknown artist right here. And as you can see, I have a bunch of them in here and it's still going because I had already done this, but just to show you, just pretend that these were all done. Then you're going to go Control Copy, copy all of these. You're going to go back up here to the original spot and you're going to create a folder. Just click New or you can right click and go New and say Folder. And you're going to name it whatever the artist is. So I'm going to do Chris Daughtry. And then I'm just going to click in here and I'm going to go Control V and that's it. You're done. You've got MP3s and MP3s play better in your car. It has a better favorable outcome if you use an MP3 in your vehicle. But hey, if anything helps you in this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up at least. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.